Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew here. Today I for you some Hunger Games. And I thought they all went running. So, we were in a Hunger Games map. And it'd be very crucial because he was handsome and he was in a team of people and yeah, asking people and yeah, you want to say me and oh, somebody wants the team. We'll see okay for now, but we'll trade them later. 225, I'll remember that. And yeah, guys, so if you do enjoy this episode, please do subscribe and hit that like button down below. And this is actually probably going to get really long, so I'll just have a talk with y'all. And if y'all want me to play micro battles or maybe a UHC, I appreciate that. It'll be some of my friends I know. If you know the channel DC Party God, I'll be with him. I'll probably be with Ultimate Flame. So yeah. Wait, I still forgot to do this. Look at my skin. It's actually close to what I look like. And I want to say that this is not going to be this is probably not going to be a daily series, is what I'm trying to say. And this guy definitely wants the team. And iron chestplate off the start. That's how you start a game. Oh my. I am stealing loot from everywhere. I don't even have a stone sword yet. So, very laggy. Diamond digger right there. Let's get a kill. I want to survive. No, not the warp. Please, no. Please, not the warp. I don't even know. Wow. I just want to know if there's anyone behind me. Oh, that's death. There's actually a glitch that you can't pick anything up. And I actually don't know why, it's just a glitch. But, yeah. There's been this big fight with no armor or weapons. So I'm gonna go ahead and chase this guy down because I'll betray her later. Just later. And bye-bye. That's what I call death. See if we can parkour. Oh, Realize it's me, Noble. Go. Okay. Just wait, it's greeny. I don't think we're gonna have a greeny. Oh! Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot to sprint every time. Oh my, it doesn't sprint for me. Oh, dang it. No! Half the time I can actually do good deeds in this. Let me check the chat. 8. Oh, let me jump, please. Oh my gosh. For the one time. You got stuff crappy, don't you? Where'd he go? Like, actually, though, where is he? That is the stacked chest. Now I need is actually some decent weapon. So many iron chest plates on this map. I just wanna point that out. There's so many iron chest plates. Alright, let me look for maybe something like a diamond now. Be on a merry way. A full iron and a stone sword. This is how it can get in Hunger Games. They don't even want to met with me anymore. They don't even want to met with me anymore. Alright. I got it! Yes! Hopefully she knows I got it. Oh, that took so long. There's the one on that one. God dang it. No. I can't wait to see how the deathmatch looks. Iron helmet. Couple pork chops and... Alright, I think they want to keep in mind I can burn them. This is what I like about Hunger Games I record. That I'm a boss at them. Now I just need to track players down. Or the links down stacked. You just killed a guy who killed a guy. Which means another kill for him, which he already had a kill, which means 2 kills for him. Why am I saying him? Oh, a chest. Oh, junk. Actually, I bet I could take that. Actually, the deathmatch in 1 minute. I could guard spawn with my life, but I don't really think it's worth it. Huh. Hi. She's saying stuff, but she's muting it. Alright. Right when the deathmatch starts, I'm gonna go for her. It's gonna be the funniest play. Oh! I'm doing a lot more damage than he is. Yes! Alright. Now goal to... No going. Now if I go on him, well, I guess I didn't secretly team. 3 minutes. There you are. There you are. You little crappy wood sword. Come at me. Dead. Man, he was invisible to me. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little Hunger Games episode. And I will see you guys later. Bye. I should have muted the chat.